Hey guys, I was just working on uploading some gaming videos to the channel, and the doorbell rang and this came in. This is my replacement KVM switch from IOGear, and we will unbox it. And this will be a unboxing of the KVM switch, and I guess like a review of their customer service warranty replacement deal. So let's get to it. I'm not sure if it's just going to be a brand new one in here in the box like what you'd buy from a store, or if it's going to be just a refurbished one or something. I really don't know, and that's what we're going to find out here. So, box. Cut through. Maybe. Come on. Start on this side. There we go. Pull that paper out. And now we can slice right through. There. This paper here was just their shipping list. Alright. Inside the box, we've got wrapped up in cardboard packaging. It looks like it's just a brand new KVM switch. Box packaging, all that aside. Looks like it's just a brand new one, but we will find out. There was no letter in there or anything, so yeah, it's just going to be a brand new one, I guess. Nothing special in the packaging, just like I went and bought one from the store. There it is, empty box. In the literature, we've got... Odd how they package these things. In the literature, we've got quick start guide, warranty card, and product guide. They have all their other products, and that's something I didn't get before, so that's something I will probably end up keeping, because that is I'll look through that. So I'm going to set all this aside and bag. Now we will look at the actual products. Go. This little sack here. Whatever one of those little things is that you're not supposed to swallow. And the KVM itself. Just doing this to see if anything at all is different from before, or if it's the exact same thing. They may have updated it. All the USB leads look the same. Identical. Nice cabled mess. And then in here we've got the same little clicker and the same IOGear actual KVM. So nothing has changed. I'm going to hook this up and make sure everything works, and then I will get back to you guys. Alright guys, I am back. I'm going to talk a little loud because I got all the Macs running and that PC over there. And you know, this is a wind tunnel, so yeah, kind of loud in here and hot. But there's the KVM all hooked up. Here it is running on the G4. And I know you can't tell in the camera, sorry about the shakiness by the way, but the other one had like black lines run through the screen, and this one I can see it a little bit, but this is amazing compared to the old one. I think my other one was just like a dud or something, because this is really nice. Then there's my button down there, I can just press that. And then there's my G3. Again, barely see the lines, and it's all running nicely. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off because it's loud. Come back over to the G4. Wait for the mouse to pick up. There we go. And I'll go ahead and shut it off. And then we will go back to number 1 on the KVM. Like I said, I don't have it hooked up through VGA, so I got to come over here on the monitor and switch to, boom, there we go. Let Windows, of course Windows will take a little bit longer to identify the mouse and keyboard and everything, but everything seems to be working very nicely. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. If not, still hit that like button. Subscribe, all that. Questions, comments, I'm free to answer. So until next time, hasta vista. Alright guys, here's what we're going to have hooked up. This monitor, VGA. This has got 2 connections on it. One VGA, one HDMI. The HDMI is running from HDMI DVI adapter into the back of the gaming PC. And that's going to stay because I do like HD picture for gamings. And then here are the 4 cables for the keyboard. I'm only going to be using the one USB there. The rest, the other USB is for the pass-through on the keyboard. And then these are for the audio pass-throughs on the keyboard. And then the mouse, obviously, going into the other USB onto the KVM. So, let me get all these wires tucked away nicely and everything hooked up. And the KVM channel 1 is going to be hooked up here with the 2 USBs. Channel 2 here with the USBs and the VGA. Channel 3 there with the 2 USBs and the VGA. And then channel 4, whatever else I come up with over time. So I will hook all that up and be back.